Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning the Oticon off and removing the battery or charging source so nothing powers the receiver. This protects electronics and your ear. Once done, position a light-colored towel under your hands and face the ear so you see the wire and dome clearly. Make sure you have a wax pick, a soft lint-free cloth, and any new tips on hand. You'll use them immediately. You'll also want a gentle, steady grip. Do not twist hard. You next grip the receiver housing near its base. Keep your fingers off the thin wire to avoid damaging it. Apply steady, straight pressure away from the hearing aid body. If you feel resistance, pause. Many Oticon receivers use a push-pull fit or a small locking tab, so visually check for a clip or color code first. Once it loosens, withdraw the receiver in a controlled motion so debris doesn't fall into the opening. If stuck, stop and reassess rather than forcing. You finish by gently cleaning both the receiver port and the removed receiver with a dry, soft brush or lint-free cloth, removing wax and debris so reconnection goes smoothly. Once clean, fit a new dome or reattach the receiver by aligning any color codes and pushing straight until it clicks. Test sound at low volume. If the receiver won't release or shows damage, stop. Contact your hearing care provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.